Hi, this is Akash and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix touchpad is not working on Windows 11 laptops. So let's start the video. So we have Windows 11 laptop right now. Click on Start menu, open Settings. Once open, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down, go to this option and make sure this option is enabled from here. If it is disabled, enable it and check your touchpad. If it is working, okay. If not, follow the next step. Right click on Start menu, open Settings, go to last option, Windows Update. Right now few Windows update are pending, so whatever updates are pending, update all. Then go to advanced option and under additional options, whatever updates are pending, update all. So few updates are showing for me, so update all updates and then reboot your machine. Maybe it will fix the issue. And again, if required, check optional updates. So few updates are downloading. Then open device manager. We will check is there any drivers are pending on your laptop. So here no updates are pending, but still we will reinstall or update the drivers. Under input devices we will see the drivers. One by one update all the driver, and if not working, then uninstall and reinstall or reboot the machine. It will fix the issue. So thanks for watching. If you are watching the video first time, do subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.